Guys, and welcome to Cardmaking with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest card you're going to make this Valentine's Day. It's a heart lock card. So you use a heart to lock your card. That's it. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I share fun and easy to follow card making and crafting tutorials. Let's make it. Hi guys, this is everything you need to make this card. Let's start as usual with some scoring. This piece of paper is 12 by 8 inches. We're going to score on the 12-inch side at 2, 4, 8, and 10. And on the 8-inch side, just at 4. Fold and burnish in all your score lines. Now I want you to cut off this and this. I'm using my paper cutter, but you can use your scissors. Then you're going to take these two and they should meet in the middle perfectly like this. Give it another little burnish and let's draw our heart like so. Now I'm going to cut this out. And you're going to do the same thing on this side. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to open this, bring this down and close it. Hold this one down, draw a line from here to here, and then hold this one down and draw a line from here to here. If you see there's a little space in between your line, we're going to cut that out. So grab yourself your X-Acto knife. I'm going to show you how you can hand cut it. You're going to come like this. I'm going to turn it around and do the same thing on the other side. Now we have a space there. I'm going to cut off the top and the bottom. Now we have a beautiful space. Now the first thing I'm going to lay is the inside of this card. This one is 3 7/8 by 3 7/8, 3 3/4 by 3 3/4, and 3 5/8 by 3 5/8. I'm going to do a stamp on this. Perfect. Now let's lay our card. You're going to close this like so, bring this down, and open your heart. Look how perfect that is. Now we're going to put all the layers on the outside. I'm going to cut these two hearts in half. I'm going to take 2 of these scrap pieces and hold it like so that if there's any spillage, it won't spill on our nice piece of paper. And we're going to stick these hearts down. You want to make sure that these touch so the heart is closed. It's perfect. You can move these and you see, so that's why we didn't stick it here, so that this will stay fairly neat and clean. joining me while we made this heart lock card. It is so easy to make and it really makes a little statement, especially if you have a nice little message to put inside. If you like this video, be sure to give it an actual thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends. And if you're interested in any weight loss and you'd like to follow my weight loss journey where I'm aiming to lose 50 pounds the healthy way, you can head over to Crystal Best Fitness and subscribe. Bye guys!